Morning mga idol, dito na naman tayo na set up tayo dito sa graduation or competition siyang elementary sa Sophia Elementary. Maga pa tayo dito. Balik kahapon, nag-testing tayo dun sa lugar ng SNM sa Bitoon. Ngayong umaga dito na naman tayo. Bali, nag-testing lang kami kahapon doon para sa service ngayon. Ngayon minabadali na kami kasi magsisimula na daw. Medyo natagalan kami sa mainline na iwan pa yung dugtong namin ng mainline, malayo kasi yung kuna na namin ng line. Gandang araw pala din sa mga subscriber, bagong subscriber natin dyan, tagapanood. Welcome. At kung magustuhan nyo ang ating video, pa-subscribe na lang po. Katulong sa ating munting channel. At parati kayo ma-update sa ating mga video kung may mga gawa tayo sa kay Hirad o SMM Mini Sound. Ito na si Master Mike na talaga nag-set up ng ng box. Yan ang madali na kami. Wala pa yung kasama naming isa. Nagkuha pa ng mainline. At ito yung extra yung kaibigan natin na may anak na dyan na graduate. Tulong na.
Baby, I'ma need you. You're the only one I care enough to hurt about. Maybe I'm a crazy, but I just can't live without your love and affection. Giving me direction, like a guiding light to help me through the darkest hour. What do you mean? Oh, when you nod your head yes, but you wanna say no. What do you mean? Hey, yeah, when you don't want me to move, you tell me to go. What do you mean? Oh, what do you mean? Since you're running out of time, what do you mean? Oh, what do you mean? Better make up your mind, what do you mean? You're overprotective when I'm leaving. Trying to compromise, but I can't win. You wanna make a point, but you keep preaching. You had me from the start, won't let this end. First you wanna go to the left, then you wanna turn right. Wanna argue all day, make a love all night. First you're up, then you're down, and in between. Oh, I really wanna know, what do you?
6A, dali nanay, 6A.